Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is me, Abhishek Sharma, your trustable reporter of National News. Again, welcome back to my another exciting episode of National News. Today, we are talk about a very important, very intentional topic: agriculture. Because many people they should aware about the power of agriculture, but they were not talk about the agriculture. Because agriculture is a backbone of our nation or our food. So that's why today we are talk about the agriculture. For this conversation today I have invited a very special guest. He is a lot of experience, very smart in the field of agriculture. So without wasting my single minute, let me invite my today guest. So guys, please put your hands together. None other, one and only Mr. Praveen Misra. Hello sir.
Hi Abhishek.
So sir, my name is Abhishek Sharma and I'm a reporter of National News. Before I will start my show, I just wanted to ask you, how are you sir?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm absolutely fine. Thank you for asking me. So, sir, today I'm talk about the agriculture because, as we know, that agriculture is a backbone of our nation.
Definitely.
Because agriculture fulfill our basic needs. So that's why today we are talk about the agriculture. So, are you comfortable with
Yeah,
me?
I'm comfortable with you.
So, Mr. Praveen, I have a interesting question to you. Today's time, how can why is agriculture and farmer is important to develop our India?
Because first of all, as we know very well, agriculture is the future of India.
Definitely.
Okay, every people and every day, one day you need a doctor, you need a engineer, you need a advocate, but every day you need a farmer because of agriculture. If you don't have any food, if you don't have any vegetables, fruit, you can't survive because health is wealth. And first of all, let's talk about the food security. Agriculture provide the lots of production in the like vegetables, fruits, and agriculture. And second thing, GDP contribution. Agriculture contributes the 70% GDP in the agriculture economic. So agriculture is the developing of India. Upcoming future, agriculture is the future of India. So that's it.
Definitely, Mr. Praveen, I am totally agree with you because if a good agriculture play a very critical role, like they develop your economic help and also provide you food, raw material, and also you mentioned that GDP.
Yeah.
If agriculture and farmer play a very important role of developing our nation. So, Mr. Praveen, I have an interesting question. Because if I'm talking about the past, they are most of parents they wanted his son become a farmer, but currently at that time no parents have wanted his son become a farmer. So what is the main reason of behind it?
Because you can see and we can say lots of some people know about the agriculture. Agriculture is the backward area because no, they know very well agriculture is the risk area. Because sometime you sowing the crop in the field, you don't know about when will rain.
Yeah.
And and you can see they know about climate, about the water, about the water, climate, and many resources they don't know about. So that's why they don't want to become a farmer. And farmer is the but they don't know about farmer provide the and agriculture provide the good environment and good health and good air, good water. So I can say lots of people should become in the agriculture field and proper develop the agriculture field. So that's it.
Definitely, Mr. Praveen, because I am also a belong farmer family, and I think most of people, most of parents thought that in the farming they need a lots of hard work, like some physically. Definitely, in the agriculture we need a physically fit.
Yeah.
So I think that's why the parents thought that my son is not able to go and give the lot of hard work in the field. So that's why I think is it also a reason of that. So Mr. Praveen, I have a also interesting question to you, like. How can we encourage today youth to go and interest the field of agriculture, because today's youth they are not interested in agriculture field. So what is the main reason of behind it?
You can tell the youth innovation leader, like training and education. And if you talk about the education, they know about only if you take the suppose that if you take the 12th class agriculture, your friends will be say you you are not facing lots of problem like maths and biology, so that's why you are taking the agriculture. But they don't know about what is the agriculture,
Power of agriculture.
what is the power of agriculture. And after some time you come in the you come in the college life, you will see the what is the power of agriculture, because like startups, entrepreneurship, and all government also providing a lots of subsidies like agriculture businesses like dairy farming, kutkut palan, machli palan, and horticulture also. And they are, and government they are providing jackfruit plant, like
Yeah.
one plant they are providing a 25,000 one plant 25,000 rupees.
Yeah, definitely.
So I think we should give the proper training and proper education, proper stories to success people. And in market you can see lots of companies CEOs are coming in the agriculture, because they know about the agriculture, what is the importance of agriculture in our life, because they want to take a proper environment, proper air, proper ambience, so they are coming in the agriculture field. So I think our youth should we go the agriculture field, and we should start lots of startup like agri startups. So that's why.
Definitely, Mr. Praveen, there's a very pick up good lines like no farmer, no food,
No food.
and I'm totally agree with this
Yeah.
lines. And so let me close this session. Thank you so much, Mr. Praveen, to come my show and give you a very precious
thank-
time. And I'm deeply glad to talk to you. And I hope my audience will learn lots of things to you. And thank you so much to click this video. Stay connected, be happy, take care.